Prime Minister Narendra Modi today expressed grief over the passing of renowned environmentalist and Padma Shri awardee Tulsi Gowda from Karnataka. Union Home Minister Amit Shah chaired a review meeting in Raipur to assess the situation of left-wing extremism in Chhattisgarh last evening. Union Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports Mansukh Mandaviya today flagged off the Fit India Cycling Tuesdays initiative in New Delhi. The steel cutting ceremony of the first ship of the next generation missiles vessel being built for the Indian Navy was held at the Cochin shipyard yesterday. The Indian Meteorological Department has forecast cold wave to severe cold wave conditions in the northern states including Madhya Pradesh and East Rajasthan today.